So, okay, if you see ozone, if there is something like here, you don't have to worry about this because you're just doing the O3 anyway. All right, that's all. So this one you chop it off, but it's a different structure because you're not going to have a double bond. So it's not like this. Okay? So basically, if you're oxidizing, remember oxidation is you're saturating the carbon with O's. So therefore, you have another O, but it's not like that. It has to have an H. So if you come up with a structure like that, that's not right because the O is not satisfied with the octet. That's why the end product is a carboxylic acid. You have these.
Where'd the H come from?
Huh?
Where'd the H come from?
It's from the next step.
Oh.
So we're just doing a transformation. So this is an alkyne, and then a carboxylic acid is the product. And this is the functional group. Okay, is that what you're asking me, right? Mm-hmm. But this carbon, remember, you're oxidizing. So you cannot write this. Although if you write this one, I will accept it because that's carbon monoxide. Okay? But in reality, it becomes this because it's fully oxidized. Okay? But if I have an example in which it's like this, what do I get?
Ooh.
You just get
two equivalents of carboxylic acid. So I can write the carboxylic acid like this because it typically write like that, but you can write like this. So you see how it works? It's I have a template, and then no matter how the R group would be, you're just knowing how this becomes a carboxylic acid.
So you still cut it in half.
Correct. You cut it. You cut it up. You split the molecule. Okay? Okay. So I can do like that too. But you're focusing on these. That's it, right? That's that. The same. So it's actually the functional group, and this one can be anything. It can be anything. I can make a benzene. Benzene. So that's why I have the lecture summary, I have just R. Because I can put any R and it will not matter, right? But the challenge, I think, for example, for this one, because that's why I went over it, because, you know, like you have to see the molecule, but again, you split it, and this one, you're asking me where the H is coming from, is from these, from the water, okay?